I'll be talking something about riding gears. So riding gears are very important while you are on the ride, and I'll be doing further more videos on riding jacket, helmet, glove and the pant. Today I'll be doing something about riding boots. So quickly let's talk about these riding boots. These are from Solas and which are budget friendly, which costs around 10k. These boots comes with a durable microfiber leather upper construction offering high level of flexibility, and the comfort foam lining inside adds to all day usability, and this foam is pretty good and it's very convenient to ride. Now let's speak about the ankle region. This ankle region is made up of TPU brass. TPU brass is nothing but thermoplastic polyurethane. When you have a sudden impact, this region of your ankle protects with this leather. It's nothing but the thermoplastic polyurethane, and it is very good in terms of the build quality. It comes with the integrated metal toe slider. The main feature of this slider is to avoid the impact on your toes. When if you have a slide and the main impact will be on your toes, to avoid those things, this integrated metal plate is being used, and you can replace this metal plate, and it comes with the 0.5 mm screws. It comes with the lightweight pad and comfortable and flexible to change the gears, and this position is very hard and it's very comfortable as well. About the rear end, and the rear end comes with the reflective material at back for a maximum night vision. These reflectors are super cool looking at the night time, and the person behind you who is coming, it really makes his present that there is a person ahead. So this is the main use of these reflectives on these boots. Now let's speak about the heel part. The heel part is completely made up of TPR. TPR is nothing but thermoplastic rubber. Why? And it acts like a shock absorber, because when you hit the ground with a high force, all the impact will be taken by this rubber, and it acts like a shock absorber. Let us consider an example. While you are riding a bike, when you approach and hit the pothole, all the impact will be taken by the shock absorber. The same logic has been applied in this heel part. Now let's speak about the zip, and it is the one of the best brand manufacturing company for the zips, that is YKK Zips. Comes with these boots and with the proper adjustable velcros. So inside the boots, let's say it has antifungal or antibacterial moisture. So to all those things, it has a fast drying insole. Even though after the ride or else after the use of these boots, you can use such kind of silica gel packets inside it to avoid all those kind of bacterial smells. I hope you guys have liked the review of my riding boots. If I have missed out any kind of information, please do comment below. There is one suggestion for all the riders. Instead of using casuals, flip-flop or sneakers, go for the best riding boots to avoid huge injuries to your leg. And if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe for my channel. I'll be doing more and more videos about the riding gears. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.